Wonder what mischief he'll get into today. Quiet! All the eggs will hatch in 1 hour.
My baby will have a bright red vest and big blue eyes. My baby will have a beautiful voice. Wait till you see the gaudy clothes my baby has. Mine will have a beautiful tail. Mine will, too. See my little baby. My little beautiful tail. It's got my eyes, too. And everything else.
All that bragging. I wonder what they'd say if it all turned out different. If it didn't turn out as they expect, if the eggs were all mixed up, I got an idea.
Be quiet, Willie.
This don't look a bit like an English sparrow.
I say, this don't look a bit like an English sparrow.
God blimey, it's a bloomin' mockingbird it is. Well, hibber me gibber. I was on the pork My, dear old Dixie, come seven, right from heaven.
We're leaving too.
We're gonna live at the club.
And we're going home tomorrow.
And now I can play my flute. What's the matter, babies? I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. If I take care of you, will you be quiet?
Yes.
Help! Somebody save me! Help!
I want some jelly beans.
Well, give me Kimber. I want the cracker.
What about me jelly beans? I want my jelly beans.
I want the cracker. We want better conditions. We want better conditions. Peterkin, I'm hungry. Peterkin, I'm still hungry.
Peterkin, I'm hungry. Do something.
All right. I'll get your mama's back. This is too much for me. It's a mistake. Somebody mixed the eggs up, and that's why you got the wrong children. But I fixed everything. I straightened it all out by myself.
But who mixed up our eggs?
Oh, some practical joker, I guess. Maybe it was a squirrel. Well, maybe the chipmunks.
It was you. Yeah, it was Peterkin. Let's teach him a lesson. Yeah, let's get him. Go get him.
That's positively the last joke I'm gonna play. Until the next time.